Hello, my favourite student, and welcome to Uncle Jeff's Easy-Peasy English. And today we're looking at, look after, and look for. For example, look at the eyes, look at something in particular. They focus on something. Look at. I am looking at you. Look after, to care for someone. If someone is ill, I look after. I looked after my mother when she was ill. Or look for. You look for something. You search for something. I was looking for my keys yesterday. I was looking for my keys yesterday. Look at, look after, look for. So, verbs with prepositions. Look at, point your eyes at something. Look after, care for something or somebody. And look for, search for things. English grammar, verbs and prepositions, they're easy peasy. Thank you very much indeed for watching. Don't spill your tea, Uncle Jeff. And we'll talk to you next time on Uncle Jeff's Easy Peasy English. Bye-bye for now.